Hey guys, I want to walk you through the wish list feature of our website, something that a lot of people don't know but should utilize. So basically you just go to our website, log in under the My Account tab, it takes all of 2 seconds, and then you just sort of browse the website like normal. Let's say you're interested in this Cletus Edition steering wheel. So underneath Add to Cart, you'll see Add to Wish List. You simply click on that. From there, you can either go to your cart and check out, share your wish list, or you can jump back and look for more stuff. So let's say that you want a Because of the Brave t-shirt, which you should want one. After you click on this one, it's a little different. You want to go in and select your size so that it's exactly what you need. After you do that, again, just scroll on down, Add to Wish List. You can go up, it's just under the Contact Us phone number. You'll see Wish List and it'll show how many things are in your wish list. You click that and from there you can actually delete or add specificity to a certain product, and then you can share it. Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, you can email it directly, or we give you a link that you can share however the heck you want to do that. So this is something you should definitely utilize as the Christmas season is really kind of upon us. And yeah, thanks for checking us out.